To greet the grandeur of hockey, maestro and wizard, Major Dhyan Chand, for his amazing skills, and to express heartfelt gratitude for being undying inspiration for all the sports enthusiasts. MPS Kalwad celebrates National Sports Day.
The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on August 29, the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand every year. The legend of hockey, the hockey ka jadugar. The day was designated as the Indian National Sports Day in 2012.
On this day, various sports events such as walkathon and football tournament are held all across the country as a part of National Sports Day celebration. The President of India bestows the most prestigious awards, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjun Award and Dronacharya Award to the sports persons who have contributed to the growth of sports all through their sports career.
Dhyanchand had played a key role in India's three consecutive Olympic triumphs in 1928, 1932 and 1936. Often referred as the wizard for his incredible hockey skills. He scored over 400 goals in his career that lasted from 1926 to 1948.
Dhyan Chand's performance in the 1936 Berlin Olympic final is considered as one of his best. He was the top scorer with 3 goals and India went on to easily defeat Germany by 8-1. He was awarded India's third highest honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956.
Born on August 29, 1905 in Prayagraj, formerly known as Allahabad, Dhyan Chand joined the British Indian Army as a sepoy at the age of 16. He exclusively played in army hockey tournaments between 1922 and 1926. He played his first international match in the year 1948.
The legend was originally named Dhyan Singh, and according to reports, he received the nickname Chand as he used to practice all night in the moonlight. Major Dhyan Chand learned the game of hockey from his coach Pankaj Gupta. There is no who has reached his level in hockey. Dhyan Chand died on December 3rd in 1979 in Delhi after going into a coma.
According to Bill Russell, the idea is not to block every shot. The idea is to make your opponent believe that you might block every shot. Happy National Sports Day!